Well guys, I got the power steering off, loosen the air conditioning tensioner down here. I don't know if you can see it. Give a pointer. This thing right here. This wheel right here. I don't know if it'll focus on it. There we go. This wheel right here, got that loosened. Also loosen the top of the alternator belt, the bolt. So this bolt right here. Sorry I couldn't record the whole process. Unfortunately the phone died again because of the heat, because I work outside under the sun. Look at this buzzard up there. I work outside in the sun in a big field, greenhouse. And I've also, so next thing to do, I've already dropped this thing right here, this splash shield. So right here, see if you can get this torque mount, this motor mount. There's a bolt right here, and right underneath over here. See if I can get it on camera. There's two bolts that hold this up, that would need to be loosened and taken off to get the power steering belt off. And then we're gonna have to loosen the alternator bolt down there. But before we do that, we have to jack the car up. So we're gonna save that for tomorrow. I do have to work, so it's one little step at a time. The thing about doing one little step at a time is each day more is done. Before you know it, you're to the point where you need to be. And I will say, guys, that having the proper tools helps. Having this extra handle where you can connect it to the ratchet, get extra leverage, makes it a whole lot easier when you're loosening the bolts. So having the proper tools definitely helps a lot. This only took me maybe 20 so minutes, but that's it for today. Please follow, please like, subscribe as we work towards removing this bad boy right here.